formerly owned by the East Cleveland Railway Company and later by Westinghouse Electric. This brick building has changed a lot over the years, and this is its story. George Westinghouse would found the Westinghouse Electric Company in 1886. Nearly a decade later, in 1894, Westinghouse Electric would come to Cleveland. These buildings were originally constructed in 1888 by the East Cleveland Railway Company. Streetcars were growing in popularity in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. So this building originally served as a streetcar depot. The facility housed giant steam-powered No. 16 Edison generators. In 1890 and 1892, additional facilities were constructed to house more generators. These generators would power the streetcar network. In 1910, the East Cleveland Railway Company became the sole operator of all of Cleveland's transit lines, after merging with several other smaller companies. By 1917, the railway lines had become too sophisticated for this single facility to power all of them. All energy needs were outsourced to the Cleveland Electric Illuminating Company. While all of this was happening, the Westinghouse Electric Company was growing in its power, with an intense rivalry with Thomas Edison and General Electric. They were looking to expand operations. Shortly after the East Cleveland Railway Company would stop using the facility, the Cleveland Ice Machine Company began operating on the site. However, that would not last very long, as only a couple years later Westinghouse Electric would purchase it and turn it into a factory to manufacture electrical components. In 1922, a 5-story building was added across from the original facility. In 1933, Westinghouse closed this factory and would move to the nearby Edgewater Park. However, that would not be the end of this facility. Check this place out. Look at that. It's freaking cool as heck.
Looks a lot darker on the outside.
Yeah.
Maybe outside is like pure white.
There's all the way down there already. Look at the stalagmites. You alright?
Yeah.
Is it stalagmites on the ceiling or stalactites?
Listen here. I can't remember. I saw some scientists say stalactites were on the ceiling, and I was like, that doesn't sound right.
Some. Ooh, caution. Wow. Wow, that's incredible. Look at that.
I didn't know there was a train railway thing like here. That's cool.
This used to be owned by the Cleveland Railway Company. There's a train going by. So here's this.
The wooden railing.
Right up there is where they filmed the Black Widow scene in the first Avengers. What are you talking about?
They installed like wooden railings.
Huh.
Like 2x4s going out.
Oh yeah, those weren't there last time we were here.
Well, I think they were.
Were they?
Yeah, 'cause I think I remember seeing them and be like, that's sketch.
Incredible. So they filmed that Black Widow scene right at the edge there. We'll walk over there in a second. You kind of see the perspective here. It's truly an incredible place. Right here is where they filmed that Black Widow scene. I believe they had Scarlett Johansson in that chair like right here. And you can see this thing in the background.
Не так я ожидал провести этот вечер.
Я знаю, что вы ждали. Так лучше, поверьте.
So there's a little fact for you that like movies. So this is the other side of the room we were just in. You can see where the chutes lead right there in the side of the wall. Look at this really, really cool window. It's incredible, isn't it? Look at that. Another poetry by Boots found. Incredible. Low clearance. Gonna head back down. This stairwell is blocked by debris. That's the next building we're going to. And then that is where we just came from. Look at that. That is incredible, isn't it? Amazing. What an amazing place. Looks like we gotta climb up the dirt stairs to get to the next floor.
You just have to.
We're here on the second floor, and yeah, those stairs are not in good condition. There's other stairs though.
What do you mean they're not in good condition? Oh yeah, look at this. You can see the whole movie picture from here. Through the window.
Oh yeah, you can. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice.
So pretty.
Found another stairwell.
Let's take it out. I can see it from the right side.
Oh, mother fricker. Who the frick? Maybe it's from all the dirt. It just collapsed.
Yeah.
Who the frick put dirt on the stairs, Victor? Who does that?
It's the Sandman's cousin.
That's the lamest name for like a supervillain I've ever heard. In 1936, a company that produces aircraft and automobile engines named Thomas Products would purchase the property. During World War II, the company would see massive orders for aircraft parts, and the factory would flourish. In the year 1958, the Ramo Woolridge Corporation would merge with Thomas Products. Ramo Woolridge produced radar-guided missile systems, including systems that were used in the Titan ICBMs. In 1963, the company would be renamed the TRW Equipment Group. And around that time, they would move to a new facility. That same year, Verdun Manufacturing Company, a company that specialized in creating lighting equipment, would move into the old facilities. Throughout the 1970s, the Verdun Manufacturing Company would begin to lose clients. There would be many layoffs and the company would be sold in 1977. Its plant at the old Westinghouse factory would close in 1979. The factory has been abandoned since, only seeing small use in Hollywood as a filming location. It is unlikely the building will ever be renovated or used again. The old Westinghouse factory is a very fascinating place. It's impacted the lives of many, as so many different companies have owned it over the years. It will never be forgotten.
Yeah.
Let me get the glasses on. Gotta get the glasses on and let me undo the jacket, you know, for the ladies. Gotta get some eye candy on the channel. Now time to read the
The only eye candy around here, Caleb, is the graffiti.